Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can get the full Zora Armor set in the Legend of Zelda, Tears of Kingdom. So here's the requirement for that. You must complete part of the main story in the Zora's domain. And then after that, you just have to go to the Zora's domain, specifically for the Lanairu region, and then start the quest. So you just have to restore the Zora Armor. So you have to speak with Yona near in the infirmary here, and then she will ask you to get a ancient arowana fish. Now you can find the ancient arowana fish in a small pond in the Misha's court, which is in the part of west of Zora's domain, or near the sky islands of the Great Sky Island. And then once you have it, you just have to return to Yona, and then she will give you the Zora Armor chest piece. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.